up, guys? Welcome to the Metri channel. This video is about if your truck is hard to get into gear, or it act like you don't want to get in gear, or if your clutch goes all the way to the floor, like you don't have any pressure on your clutch. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Alright, first things first, you're gonna go under your hood and you're gonna check the clutch brake fluid. Under your hood, if you don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. You want to check it and see if it has fluid in it. See that? Mine don't have any in it. Gotta put some in it. You wanna know what kind to put in it? It says right here. You use brake fluid, and it'll say on it on the top. And this one is DOT4. From AutoZone, Walmart, or whatever you like. We're gonna fill her up to max. Drip, drip, drip. Oh! See, you gotta be careful. She's full. Put my top back on there. We're gonna crank her up and check. Give it a couple pushes. Put it in gear. She goes in there. She goes in there without a problem. Like money, like butter. Going straight in there. Got pressure on her. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.